Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna cut this steel pipe with the help of a reciprocating saw, mini reciprocating saw, you can say it's because short. So I'm gonna show you how, and some people may have this question that can it really be done. So we are gonna try in this video. So you need a blade, battery, and a reciprocating saw, and of course steel pipe. The very first thing is to secure yourself. So never compromise on glasses for your eyes, because when you use something like reciprocating saw, it generates a lot of minute particles. So those particles you don't want to get into your eyes, right? So that's why protecting your eyes equally important. Shoes, gloves, all these are important. This is my home. I'm in my garage. That's why I don't have professional equipments like clamp. So the secret is the same. The steadier you hold it while cutting, the better cut it's gonna make. Okay. The very first thing, I'm gonna assemble these. So as you can see, it has been assembled. Next is to find the place where you are gonna make a cut, and secret is to hold it steady. So I'm gonna do here. Okay. And as I said, like, use clamps and all, and make sure it's steady. So first, if you can put a mark, it's good. Okay. And then once you find the edge dot where you're gonna try to make it your hand steady, and slowly, and it's good to move up down too. Okay, at the same place, because right now I'm holding phone from one hand, that's why it's being disturbed. But hold it nicely with clamp, and then make the mark like this. So when with some small steadiness, see, I was able to. So definitely it can be done. Now the secret is same. Once you got the mark, make sure you hold on it, and then keep it running steadily, and the like steady it is, better cut is gonna be made. So again, like I held it steady, and you can see the cut has been made. You can say that it's not uniform cut, that I agree, because it was not clamped nicely. So the steady it is, better cut it will be made. So the secret is same, keep it steady and then cut it. But and yes, it can be done. So if you want to practice, you can buy cheap blades and do, and once you have the experience, you can use professional grade materials. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.